On this video of Hot CP Garage, we are going to redo the front end on this Raptor 250. And we have a couple issues. One is this tie rod end right here. As you can see, pretty wobbly. And we also have, you can't really see it on this one. This one here, you can really see it. Anyways, the A-arm bushings are gone. So that's what we're gonna do. I got the parts in the mail, so let's take a look at those. All right, the parts. These here are the plastic bushings that are gonna go inside the A-arms. Pick those up on eBay. And in here is the tie rod ends, which I also picked up on eBay. If you stick around to the end of the video, I will show you guys exactly what buyer I got these from on eBay. So let's get to the bike now, and what we'll do is we'll take the front tires off and get you set up and start taking this bike apart. Crash bar off the front, and pop you in the stand. Have at it. So, a little bit of play on that one. Play on that one. And you can see it's a little bit bent right here too, so it must have took a whack at one point. So we'll pull them off and replace them. I'm gonna go and take the other side off now. Get the other one off. This one here is loose too. It needed to be done. All right, let's move to the vise. All right, that's one off. We'll do the rest. All right, let's install the new ones. I'm gonna put a little anti-seize on the threads. This one's done. You need to have one facing one way, the other facing the opposite direction. I am not going to tighten these in because I need to adjust the steering once I get it all together. I'm going to assemble the other one like this, and then I'm going to start working on the A-arms. I'm not going to put these in because it'll give me more room to work. What I'm doing here is I got to get the Delrin bushing out of there, and yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, I'm gonna try to drill it out. I can't get them to come out, so we'll try drilling down the side. This is what I got so far. I put 4 holes in it, and now I'm going to try to just smash it out of there. I seem to have done it. There it is. So I guess that's the easiest way to get those out of there. Here's the other piece. Same deal. I'm gonna clean these out. I'm gonna drill the other side, knock the other one out, and then turn you back on when I'm ready to do assembly. Gonna insert the bushings. Wipe this off real quick. Seemed pretty clean. There wasn't really any debris on this, and it's in pretty good shape. I don't see any rust or rot or anything, so it's in pretty good shape. What I want to do is put a little bit of grease inside the hole here. Install the caps. Back in place. Drive the rod down. Looks good to me. Good and tight. All right, let's get the next one. A little more of a close-up on drilling these, so you can see what I'm doing here in order to drill these out. And it's just as simple as breaking them. That's it. They pop right out once you put the holes in them. All right, I'm going to shut you off. I'm going to do the rest of them, and then turn you back on when I'm ready to install. Now, we don't want to have these over tight, putting too much stress on the bushing faces. There still should be some movement. So I'm going to back it off a quarter turn in each one of these. This one's really tight. Just because I don't want to wear them out prematurely. I think that should do it. I'm going to turn you off now and do the other side off camera now that you guys have seen it, and then when I come back we'll put the tie rod ends back on, tires, align the front end, and finished product. Alright, front end's all together, all the bushings are replaced. I'm going to grease them now, and then after I grease them up, alright, everything's in, everything's tight, tie rod ends are in, the steering is super smooth and stiff now. Lock to lock, looks good. Alright, let's put the wheels on, get it on the ground, and align the front end. Adjust the steering, shall we? You can see that it's way off. We'll start with this wheel because this one's the worst. That looks pretty close. Bring this one out a little. That doesn't look too bad. Check the bars again, make sure it's straight. Looks straight right there. Went a little too far on this one. That should do it. You want to have a slight toe in because of suspension. When the suspension travels, you want a slight toe in. If it's toeing out, it's going to sort of like, it's going to wear the tires weird. So a tiny bit of a toe in is what you want. And if you look down here, they're pretty close. It's a tiny bit of an in toe. Same as on this side. So I'm going to tighten up the lock nuts now. And that's pretty much it. That's how we rebuild the front end on a Raptor 250. I want to thank you guys for watching. Hit the subscribe button, like it, leave comments. If you have any questions about anything that I've done here, I'll be free to answer them. Again, thanks for watching. I got some more maintenance to do on some of my stuff here, so there'll be some more how-to videos coming up. And I still have to finish my Yamaha 426 over there. Final video coming on that. But again, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.